Hello everyone. Now we'll go for the geometry and topology. The difference between the geometry and the topology. So the geometry is actual dimensions that define the entity of the object. Okay, so geometry defines the dimensions. Dimensions means what? Length, okay, then diameters, etc. These are the dimensions. So geometry will define the dimensions of the model, and topology, now topology defines the connectivity means how they are connected. Okay, so topology will define the connectivity. Okay, so if suppose for example if we have taken this geometry, so let us say here this length is L1, this length is L2, this length is L3, and this circle is, let us say, C1, and here center of the circle is somewhere here, let us call it as a point P1, and this is the radius of circle, let us say R. Okay, the similar thing here, L1, L2, L3, C1, P1, and this is R radius. Now so here in these two models, because geometry is same but the topology is different. Geometry is same. Geometry means length of L1, L2, L3, location of point P1, CR, these are same in both the geometry, but the topology is different. Topology means whether the P is inside the geometry or outside the geometry. So point P, if suppose it is inside the geometry, so your circle will be like this. If suppose it is outside geometry, circle will be like this, semicircle. Okay, so this is the difference between the different topology. Okay, so the geometry is same geometry, but different topology. Okay, so your geometry is same but the topology is different. Now we'll see another figure. Here again, let us say it is L1, L2, L3, C1, this is point P1, which is nothing but the radius R. Okay, and here also the same thing, L1 is here, L2 is here, L3 is here, point P1 is here, C1 is here, and R. Okay, now here what happened, the shape of the geometry is changed, location of P is changed. Here the location of P is here, coordinates of the P is here, and the coordinates of P will change. Okay, so here the geometry is changing. Okay, topology is same, P is outside the geometry. You can see here the P1 is outside the geometry, here also the P1 is outside the geometry, but here the geometry is changed. The coordinates of P1 here, x and y coordinates of P1 is different in both the geometries. Okay, so in this way, in this case, you can say that it is a same topology but different geometries. Okay, so here geometries are different but the topology is same. Okay, so in this way you can find the topology and the geometry. Now let us say here geometry is nothing but, if the same figures if we consider here, so L1, L2, geometry is nothing but L1, L2, L3, C1, P1. Okay, so these are the geometry, these are the contents of the geometry. Okay, so length of L1, L2, L3, C1, and P1. Now if we call about if you see the topology means connectivity, how the connectivity is there. So in topology you can say that the first point L1 shares vertex is nothing but the corner point. Okay, vertex is a point. L1 shares the point with L2 and C1. You can see here L1 shares point with L2 this and C1 this. Okay, so this L1 is having two vertex, so it is sharing the point vertex with L2 and C1. So this is the topology. L2 is sharing the vertex with L3 and L1. L3 is sharing vertex with C1 and L2. C1 is sharing vertex with L1 and L3. Okay, L1 and L3 are parallel. Okay, P1 is outside the geometry. So this is nothing but the topology. Okay, thank you.